Hey Gay, you're in the Papatoetoe clinic. Hey, I have just been recently feeling my heart racing. It's pumping. I feel scared that something bad's going to happen, and I'm just sweating in my hands. What should I be doing?
Okay. Has this happened before?
Sometimes it hasn't happened for a while, but when it happens, it's bad.
Sometimes it can be just because you're worried about something, but we need to do a few tests just to make sure that there's nothing strange going on. When did this episode start?
That started last night. I had one before I went to bed.
Yep.
This morning as well was bad.
Is there anything that provokes it to happen? What were you doing when it started?
Yeah, I was just worried about various things going on in the news. The world doesn't seem that great, and these symptoms come on when it happens.
Now, when we get anxious, sometimes the brain doesn't switch off and you get worried, and it can affect the way your heart beats. So it sounds to me like you're having issues with severe anxiety. There are some techniques that we can teach you how to reduce that anxiety, but the important thing is to come and see your doctor so that we can do some vital sign recordings. We need to check your heart rate. We need to do a thing called an ECG, which checks the electrical circuitry in your heart to make sure nothing is underlying there.
Bad's going on here, like a blood test or something, just to make sure not other things going on. That's good.
It's just a case of ringing up to see the doctor or the nurse. We can book an appointment on the day for that sort of thing, just to check that there's nothing nasty.
That's very helpful. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.